you want to make your own YouTube merch and you don't have any money, well, follow these steps right here and I'll guarantee you people are going to buy your merch and you're going to earn money from not even spending money. Let's get into it.
Have a good time. Enjoy life.
Go yard, I don't need it. Big go cool, big krillin'. I'm being rich, are you kidding? This my type of living. Pulled up in that Drake car and start spinning.
What's good, YouTube? Guys, I'm going to teach you guys how to make your own merch. I'm going to have a screen recording up just to show you guys the process of doing it. So basically what you're going to do, this is going to be completely free, y'all, and I'll guarantee y'all going to make money. I made money on my own merch. Merch is in there. It's dirty right now. I didn't wash it. You can make money on your own merch. So say, look, I bought my own merch, right? Because I had to. They don't send me free samples or whatever. I bought it. I earned some of my money back. You know what I'm saying? My friend bought some, a teacher bought some, a dean bought some. People buying my merch, and I'm making money from it, okay? I'm going to teach you guys where to make it at. So, I'm going to request this place. You can either use Teespring, or what's that other one? So, you can either use Teespring or Spreadshirt. Spreadshirt is easier if you have if you don't have a computer or something, you can use it on your phone. So I'm gonna have like a little Teespring, Spreadshirt up here. So basically what you're gonna do is you're gonna make an account and then you're gonna add products and then you just put your design. Make sure y'all have like transparent backgrounds though. That's what y'all need. I need a transparent background so everything can get clean. There won't be no background like black or nothing. That's what y'all need. So Teespring is actually harder, I'm not gonna cap, because you can't do it on your phone. You cannot make Teespring on your phone. It's very hard to make your Teespring on your phone because it's like you can't put your image how you want it to, like on your phone. So that's why I suggest using Spreadshirt. But the thing about Spreadshirt is that you might not make as much money as you're making on Teespring, but you're still making quality clothing. You know what I'm saying? And okay, and another con is that Teespring, you can set your price at any price you want. You can set it at any price you want. My shirts are $13. Literally just $13. Y'all know some YouTuber shirts be like $25, $30, $40. My shirts, they $13. And they come to like $18 with all the tax and shipping at the end of the day. So basically what I'm saying is that you could choose from each one you want. Basically, that's what I'm saying. But I do suggest Spreadshirt more because it's easier to use. Now, if you're not trying to make no money from your merch, use Spreadshirt. But Spreadshirt does make its own prices, so you cannot adjust your prices at all. Teespring, you can. I think it's like a minimum though. Try to see, did I have mine at the lowest? I probably had mine at the lowest, or it probably goes lower than that. You probably get a shirt for $7 or something. But I'm not sure if they like mess up the quality or nothing. But as y'all can see by the thumbnail, like, you know, it doesn't look bad. It looks quality. So, yeah. If you guys did enjoy this video and get anything from it, I'll try to make this video as short as possible. I didn't want to talk you guys' head off like some of these YouTube. If you guys want to include your URL into your description, just make sure y'all copy and paste it where you add on your shirt. Copy and paste it and then save it like in a notes or something, like in your app notes, and just copy it like every time you press to upload a video. If you guys enjoyed this video, make sure y'all like, comment, and subscribe, hit that bell, get my notifications, all that good junk. It's been your girl Vlogs by Dion. We're out here. Peace. Now I did a video before this. That's why I got the same clothes on. Don't come for me. Y'all always be trying to come for me. Like, follow me on Instagram, DionYT.